Hi everyone, my name is Mark Gordon. I am the Product Development Engineer at Apello. Today I am in one of our test facilities here at Apello, and I will be unveiling and unboxing our new product, which is SmartConnect. The product comes in a nice neat box. Within the box is your quick start guide, and the product itself. It's a very smart looking and sturdy unit. On the side here, you've got the talk button, which will answer all incoming calls, the open button, which will release the door, privacy button, which is the do not disturb, the away button is to inform the manager that you are away from your property, and the I'm OK button, which will inform the staff of your well-being, and the emergency button, which can be activated, as well as being activated on your pendant. I'm really looking forward to testing and developing with this product, and I'll pass you back to the webinar now.